Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is the first time of me using the new camera that I did buy, and so the thing that I was going to film next is my IPSY bag anyway, so we're going to do more of a try on, and I'll just tell you like the products I got first, and then we'll put some of them on my face, and yeah, so let's get into it. Alright, so the first product in my bag is actually this charcoal mask, and it's just like a wash off one. I already did use it just so I could tell you guys kind of how it was, and I do really like this mask, and it gets you about 3, so like there's still like a bunch left in the package that I could still use, so I really do like this mask, and it's a really good sample size, so I might end up buying the full one depending on how expensive that is. Okay, next in my bag I actually did get a nail polish, but I can't find it. I was wearing it, but literally within a night I went to bed and I woke up and most of it was already chipped off my nails, so I don't think that I'm gonna actually wear it again. It's really pretty blue, and I'll put a picture up on the screen of what I did get, but I did just try the nail polish on its own. Maybe I should try like a top coat. I just gotta like buy a top coat because I usually don't use them, because ever since I got the KL polishes that Kathleen Lights came out with, those don't chip on me and I don't need a top coat, so it's kind of like I'm holding my standards to that now. Okay, next up in the IPSY bag I got a felt tip liner, I think, so it's from CIT London and it's just in the black shade, so we're gonna try this on. So yeah, it is just a felt tip liner, so and also if the focusing in this video is kind of weird, I'm still trying to figure out pretty much how to use the camera really well, so yeah, it'll be a learning process for a while. But yeah, it's just a black and it does come off pretty pigmented, so I'm just going to try to do my eyes. I don't know if I'm going to do a wing, depends on how it applies first. You stole my heart of gold after my silver soul. Can you dig any deeper now? I gave you all I own, put you on this golden throne, but I'm a little stronger now. You cashed in on my promises, you know I'm too gentle. Alright, so that is how the wing is looking. I actually do really like this liner so far. It went on pretty pigmented, and it's just called the Fierce Flicks. I do like it, and it did cover up pretty nicely, so it didn't tug at my eyes or anything. So we're just going to see how it wears throughout the day and see if it smudges, because if it smudges then it's not even worth wearing. Alright, next, which I was really excited about, is actually a highlighter, and it's the Mary Luminizer, and I've never tried this, and it did kind of pop out of the thing, which is fine, that way I can put it in my Z palette, but we're just gonna see how this looks. I never wanted to buy the full size because I don't know, expensive highlighters are kind of like a should I really, so yeah, we're just gonna see how this looks, and you never know, once I run out of this, which with highlighters is pretty hard to run out of, but if I ever ran out of this or it expired, if it's good, we could go buy a new one. Okay, so I just like lightly tapped just like a little bit and got a little bit on the brush, and like that is like stunning. So yeah, this one is actually a really good highlighter. I'm kind of sad I waited so long to even try it because it looks really nice. So yeah, I'm just gonna put a little bit on the top of my lip. It's a really pretty highlighter. So the last thing in the bag is actually a lipstick, and I kind of still have the plastic all over it, but it's from Suzanne, and we have gotten their liquid lipsticks before, and I did like the formula, but The same thing happened kind of with my liquid lipsticks that I get from IPSY. They're always like this really bright pink color, and I never wear colors like this, so I'll try it on later and I'll kind of show you guys what it looks like, but I'll just kind of give this to a friend who would actually wear it, because I don't ever wear shades like this bright. I wear more of like the nudes and the browns, and if I do wear pink, it's more like it's like a neuter pink. So yeah, I'm pretty sure the formula on this is pretty good, but I'll probably just try it on for you guys later and then give it to a friend, because I'm never going to use it. Now that I got the rest of my makeup on, I'm not going to put on a lipstick right now because I do have to go to work, so I do like to wear chapstick there. But the current time is 10:03 in the morning, if it would focus on that. There we go. And yeah, I'm going to go to work, so I'm only going to be there for a couple hours, so I'll check in when I get home. It's a short shift today, so I will see you guys later. Okay, so I am here for a check-in, basically just on the eyeliner and the highlight. So the highlight is still doing really good, it still looks really nice, and the eyeliner has not smudged at all or done anything weird. So the current time is 3:77, if it would focus on that. There we go, 3:17 in the afternoon. I'm going to go see the new Maze Runner movie, so yeah, so far everything looks good, and I will try on this lipstick later. And so it is the end of the night. The current time is 9:33. There we go, 31. Today and times are not working, but yeah, so the liquid eyeliner worked really good, so I'm excited to use that again. It didn't smudge on the inner corners either, so yeah, so this is what the lipstick looks like on. It's definitely like a bright pink color, and I just don't like these kind of colors. It does dry down really fast, so there is that, and yeah, I just don't like the color, so I'm probably just gonna give it to someone else, but it seems alright. And then the highlight from the Mary Lou Moser that just fell out. Yeah, it still has been on all day and it still looks really nice, so this is definitely good. The mask, as I said earlier, is also really good and I do like it, and the little pack came with enough for 3 times, so that's awesome. And finally is that nail polish that I don't even know where it went currently, so the picture I will just put up on the screen, but yeah, I don't really like that one. It just chips really fast, and the color is really nice and opaque and stuff, but it just chips too fast. Alright, so that is the end of this video. If you want to see more content from me, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one.